Hey, I'm Tashaka Armstrong. Thank you for joining me for another edition of Tashaka Explains It All. Today, we're going to take a look at something I received in the mail recently and wanted to unbox this. This thing is huge. It's from OnePlus. I wonder if you can take a guess what this is. I know what it is, and I'm really excited to give it a try. Let's crack this puppy open. It says never settle on the box. This box is massive, and it is quite heavy. Right here we have a manual. This is the OnePlus manual. I'm guessing that's what it is. Yeah, we have a book, screen cleaner, screen cloth. Wow, this is really a healthy kind of storybook on all the features of this device, the OnePlus 7T, which is a very highly anticipated phone. Let's see what all we have here. We have, let's see if I can get this out, a journal, some cases, it looks like, carbon fiber case. We have a red case with it. So we have the carbon fiber, a red case, and I'm guessing this over here on this side is going to be the actual phone, which it is. Let's see, we have that. Pair of Bluetooth earbuds to go with the device. Knowles, compliments of Knowles and OnePlus. So that's everything in the massive box. So the OnePlus 7T. I will be switching to Android for a while I give this phone a run. This, much like many of the phones that are being released right now, this has 3 cameras. A 48 megapixel wide angle camera, which is their standard camera, the standard lens. It also has a 12 megapixel telephoto lens, one that allows you to zoom in real close on objects. And it has a 16 megapixel ultra wide lens. Dual flash, HDR, all that. Video recording at 2160 at 30 and 60 frames per second. It also has a front-facing camera that is 16 megapixels. It comes with Android 10.0 out of the box. Stereo speakers, Wi-Fi, 802.11 ABG NAC. It has all the features. It has a 6.5-inch Fluid AMOLED screen that is HDR10 plus compliant. You do get the notch up top. This is a nice phone. This is really nice. It is smaller than some of the other phones you may be used to, but almost bezel-less. This is a really nice device to look at. Let's see, what else do we have in the box here? You're going to get a case in the box, really cool. Let's see, your SIM pin, SIM key, love those. Your charge cable and your charging brick with, this has warp charging, warp 30T charging is what they call it. So you're going to get fast charge out of this device with that power brick. So that is what I have from OnePlus. This is the 7T. This is available October 18th for purchase. So I'm going to be putting it through its paces, giving it a run, seeing how it does over the coming week or two, and get back to you with a full review. A lot of people I know are waiting on the OnePlus 7T Pro, but this one, great phone. It has the fingerprint scanner built into the glass, but it also will do facial recognition as well. Just a series of really nice features, and it's only $600. I know I say only $600, but when you figure that the next nearest phones that have the specs that this phone has are going to run you about $700, that $600, that $100 difference between this and some of those other phones is a huge deal. And this really is flagship phone specs. Now, it may have some specs that are stepped down a little from the OnePlus 7 Pro, which I also have the 5G model of that phone. That phone has a higher resolution display, for example, but this phone is no slouch, and I think this is a phone that most people, Android users, really need to check out and get familiar with because it will save you money over some of your competing flagship phones like Samsung's Galaxy S10e, some of these other phones. So I'll get back to you with my full review. This is the OnePlus 7T. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Since I'm doing the review, I can get those answered, check them out, and get back to you with the answers. And as usual, thank you for watching.